Update Software Check is a handy Android application designed to help users manage and monitor the software updates for their devices. It simplifies the process of keeping apps and system software up to date, ensuring that users have access to the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. The app typically scans the device to identify outdated applications and system software. It provides users with information about available updates, making it easy for them to initiate downloads and installations directly from the app. This helps in maintaining optimal device performance and enhancing user experience. Additionally, Update Software Check may include features such as notification alerts for new updates, a user-friendly interface for easy navigation, and the ability to check for updates periodically. Overall, the app serves as an essential tool for Android users seeking to streamline their update management process and ensure their devices are running the latest software versions efficiently.